Light open. Open the light.
눌러서
No. Namaste. I am Shapan Chandra Yoga. Now start. Om. Namaste. I am Shapan Chandra Yoga. Now start. Few exercise and some asana for special for child and all. Okay. Now chain mudra. Then 3 fingers along with touch on the knee. Breathe in. Again. Again. Namaste. Salute to everybody due to Buddha Purnima and Idul Prath.
happy
Now started
happy what to
10 breath. It is special for child and also all
yoga.
ages. Please stop. Okay. Now start full breath. Full breath. Ten breathe. Breathe in, breathe out. It is recall in your mind, we are not alone, we are practicing with the God. He is blessing to me and he is sitting in front of me just like a blessing to our. Now start. 1. Om Bhuva Swaha for eradication of coronavirus. Okay, and safe to all. Om Bhuva Swaha Tossavitu Varennam Varga Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yo No Prachodayatam. Om Bhuva Swaha Tossavitu Varennam Varga Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yo No Prachodayat. Om. Now Padma Asana for very special for child, all child and for all ages. Foot normally do like open your both legs, then relax, jerk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 2 breathe. Breathe is very necessary for your relax of your body and then half Padmasana, Namaste, then other legs, lift on your right thigh, okay, very slowly, don't forcefully, like this. It is Padmasana for stretch your body and relax your body, concentration, brain relax, and for your spine erect. It is very useful for all child, like 10 count Breathe in normal. On this Padmasana, before reading, you will take Om chanting 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes daily. Before reading, all child are reading time, they are always front bending. It is a very disorder for our backbone. Now, on Padmasana daily practice, it will total concentration your mind and your brain will come like this. Okay, relax very slowly, don't forcefully. It is also very useful for knee, ankle, spine and brain calm. Okay, then Shasanga Asana it will do by my son Ariman Das. Come and show the come please Shasanga Asana, please sit on your asana, please come namaste bol, please say namaste. Sit on Vajrasana, look at in front, then start. Please say your name. Namaste bolo. Namaste. I am Anirban Das. Namaste.
I am
Anirban Das. Now doing Shasanga Asana. Do 10-second count. Both legs together, then stretch both hands and your forehead touch the knee. It is very benefited for relaxes the spine, increase body. Always remember it is increase body awareness with breathing. It calms the mind and relieves tension around the neck, activate the thyroid glands, keeping the hormones in control and relieves the stress, bringing fresh blood supply to the crown of the head. 1, 2, 3 very benefited for all and special for child, special for side blood supply to the crown of the head, relieve the stress, tension around the neck, calm the mind, शांत होगा, activate the thyroid glands, keeping the hormone in control, awareness with breathing, spining increases body. Okay, now again straight 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Then you will not feel any types of difficult to your body, but relax very slowly. Side please. Do well. Now Shasanga Asana. Now Ustra Asana. Ustra Asana is very benefited for our spine flexibility, stress, shoulder, back, muscles, thigh, arms and shoulder. Now I am showing the Ustra Asana. Ustra Asana is very benefited for our memory, arms, neck, backbone, spine, both hands, arms. Okay, and now very easy. Sit on Vajrasana like this, and now back both hands touch the heel. Okay, 1 2 breathe in with 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It is very benefited for your thigh, ankle, arms, spine, and very useful and very benefited for our memory. Okay, namaste, I am Swapan Chandra Das. Then Ustrasana, then Bhujanga Asana. Open your both legs like this. Okay, then open then both the legs together. Now this type Bhujangasana. Okay, in front there is a point. Look at the point like this. It is Bhujangasana for your spine, for your neck and your thigh stress. Okay, breathe in without 10 count, always 10 to 15 count. Breathe in without like this. I change the side, then again showing the Bhujangasana. Both legs are together for your neck, for your arm, for your backbone and your leg stress. In front there is a point. Look at the point and breathe. Navel touch the floor like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, release very slowly. Then sit on your asana. It is very special for child and for all. Very special for child. It is very fixes and tones and invigorates the heart. Okay, it is also stress muscle in the shoulder, decrease stiffness, hardness on your body and spine. Now namaste, very shortly do this due to holiday today for Buddha Purnima. Namaste and salute to my God Buddha. Om Om Om. Now total Bhadra Asana for your joint, knee, both knees, both ankles like this, and menstruation problem. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Do it daily, all the childs and my all friends. खूब simply within 50 minutes it will complete it. And also one asana for Tarasana for your body warm up. Do this 100 200 like this. Total stress, somebody are lifting you on in the sky. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 hill. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Do it, practices daily in your rooms due to quarantine. In your room daily 100 to 300 400 500 all are my parents. Those are about 50 60 70 80. Do it for your body warm up. on toe, walk on toe, walk on toe, walk on toe for you to body fitness. 1, 2, then heel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 200, 300. Only 5 minutes. It will take time yours. Okay? Don't think now. Okay? For only for a child. Only for special for child and below 50 age. Special for child. Here the poem. What is poem? Spot running. It is very benefited for our health. All for all ages. Below 50. All ages means below 50 do it. Above 50 don't do this. If you are possible, do this. Now spot running. Touch the heel. Touch the hip by the heel. Okay? Okay? Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. There is fire. Our house beside the mountain. We are going there for collection of wood for cooking purpose. We are very poor. After collection the wood, then we are cooking. Now spot running. Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. Very benefited for sight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Touch the heel. Touch the hip by the heel. Okay? It will do every day, all the child. Very special for your health. Warm up. And sweating will come inside. Sweating is toxin, our body, all toxin will come through our body. Then one very special asana, Tadasana. Now is a Vrikshasana. Okay? Like this, straight your legs. Namaskar Mudra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Then again breathe in, breathe out. Continue. Now this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is very favorite to me. In all over India, you will sing this Vrikshasana to me. It is very favorite. It is this asana is my heart. Om Namaste, my all Guru, Yoga Guru, my Yoga Pranam to all. Okay, now sit on, then breathe. Breathe, always take breath for full oxygen. Take in your heart for your cleanness of the body. Now, one Bhastrika for cleansing of the body, asthma, lungs, heart. Open the both nose, those who are calling in night time at sleeping. This will totally clear this Bhastrika Paran. Do this. Breathe in. It is very special also, corona precaution. You are going outside, market, office, here, there, to and fro for your different types of work. Coming your home, outside the gate, you will stand, then do this Bhastrika, cleansing of your nostril, full body. This is cleansing process, Bhastrika. Okay? Only do this or only for your abdomen. Lie on the floor very slowly. Breathe. 5. Breathe very normally like a sleeping time. On Shavasana. Bend your both legs like this, then touch the chest. Okay, it is called Pavan Muktasana. Gas will be reduced, your hunger will be increased. Then Pavan Mukta rolling asana. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Breathe in without breathing, you will feel difficult in your body. 1, 2, 20. 1, 2, 1. Breathe in, breathe out, continue. Very, very special. It is rolling. It has done by the NIS, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. It is practices to all our students. It is very benefited for our abdomen and reduce your fat from belly. Now Om chanting, do it 2 times, morning, evening, noon, 3 times to your children by the guide of parents. Padmasana before reading and this Om chanting. Always feeling my God sitting for me and waiting for me for blessing inside of in front of me. He is, my God is blessing to me like this. We are not alone. We are not alone when practicing the Yoga Asana. Yoga Asana is with spiritual. India is a spiritual country. Always feel it and Om chanting. Breathe in. After sound, then stop your mouth, lips closed, then Om will be recalled in your mind and take the sound in your brain, totally calm your brain, any types of tension, depression. Okay? Oh, with great respect, we are touching the God. Nobody can with me, only God with me. Again. When sound of Om, with great respect with the God. God is, we are touching the God with Om chanting. Okay? Namaste, all my friends. I am Shobhan the yoga, and now 3 times Bhamri. Om sound will be 2 in our nostril. Take 1 time breathe, then Om, then again total close your eyes, no sound will come from outside, just like both fingers on forehead, 2 fingers beside the nose. Now take full breath, full heart. Now prayer to God. What types of my God? Realize it and imagine in your mind. Okay. Very normal breathe and realize and feel your God. What types of it? And imagine your mind who is sitting on your home. This God, this is favorite to you. Realize and thinking what types of God, like Shiva Shambhu, like Sri Krishna, like Sri Sri Sopananda, like Ramakrishna. Those who is favorite to you. Okay. Okay, namaste. I am Shamundas. Finish. Do it for child and old in your house daily before half an hour of reading. Okay, namaste. I am Shapun Chandra Das. Finish.